The Springing into Action workshop is especially curated for those of you who want to meet your goals for 2023 and beyond. Now, we're excited to welcome you on July 1st at the Fairmont Hotel. We have several objectives that you are going to experience when you come to this workshop. The first one is really helping you develop the kind of mindset that you need to be able to meet your goals. Mindset is so important. It is so critical. So how do you motivate yourself? How do you encourage yourself? The second objective is for us to work with you one-on-one to develop a personalized strategic plan that's going to allow you to concretely put down on paper everything that you need to do between now and the end of the year, knowing exactly what's coming every month that needs to be done to be able to meet your goals. And the beautiful part is that the tools that we teach you on strategic planning, you can use them for the rest of your life. The third objective is for us to talk and inspire you so that you can understand fully that the capacity for you to live up to who you are is in your hands. Your ability to be able to influence yourself, encourage and grow yourself. You have what it takes to be able to meet whatever plans that you have. The fourth objective is for us to connect you to people like you. It's so important to build community with other people, other doers, other achievers, other people who are really just trying to live their best life. We want to connect you with people like that, give you a chance to have a group of accountability partners. And finally, we want together to be able to usher in the second half of the year and celebrate this moment together. Now, when you come to the workshop, what can you expect on July 1st? Well, you come in and the first conversation we're going to be having is about your mindset. Setting the tone for the day, understanding what is required in our minds. How do we need to build ourselves and our minds to be able to meet our goals? From there, we're going to go ahead and move on into a coffee break where you're going to be able to have conversations about this with the other participants. From there, we're going to come back in and really talk concretely about what it means for us to move our dreams into visions into actual concrete plans that we can challenge ourselves to actually be able to accomplish. And then from there, we're going to move on into lunch. Lunch is going to be so delicious. Overlooking Lake Geneva, you're going to be able to network and continue conversations that you had started with the other people who are also at the workshop. Thereafter, we're going to come back in and really begin the serious strategic planning work. You're going to go ahead and put your plans on paper, and we're going to work with you one-on-one to know exactly what you need. If you need help with finances, we're going to have a financial coach there you can actually work with and talk to. From there, we're going to go back into another coffee break to allow you the chance to talk to each other, to allow you the chance to just enjoy the air of Geneva. From there, we're going to come back in, finish our strategic plans. That way you can leave the workshop with something tangible that you can begin to implement as you go home. And finally, we're going to celebrate because it is going to be July 1st, the first day in the second half of the year. We're going to celebrate. We are going to celebrate. So we are so excited and are looking forward to welcoming you on July 1st. If you have not bought your ticket, I encourage you, buy your ticket now.